Hi guys, in today's class, I'll be showing you how to trade futures on your phone or by yourself. I'll be showing you everything you need to know step by step about how to trade futures. All right. Now, before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. And of course, many of the things we do here is get towards increasing your knowledge and teaching you how to make profit by yourself. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into today's class. All right. So the next thing you find is my phone on your screen, and let us get started. So very first step is that you have to confirm that you have some monies inside of your Bybit account. All right. Now, how do you confirm that? You can find about 45 US dollars here on my dashboard, which means you can trade with as little as 45 US dollars. Of course, the minimum to use is $10. All right. Now, the next step you have to do is to click on this area where you find market. Now, when you select market, the next step you find is you have to select between spot and derivative. Now, take note that derivative is the same thing as futures. All right. So once you are here, you might find that it's already on spot. What you have to do is to use your hand and click on derivatives. Now, when you select derivative, the next step is to select the particular coin you want to trade. Now, you can come to the search space at the top. Let's say you want to trade Trump coin. Come here to type TRUMP. If you want to trade Bitcoin, type Bitcoin there. If you want to trade Ethereum, type ETH there. If you want to trade Doge, type DOGE on the search space. Now, once you type Trump coin, you can see, of course, that there are two types of Trump coin. The first type is under spot. Now, the second type is under derivative. You must choose this one under derivative because derivative is futures trading. So you select this one that is under derivative. All right. Now you select it. Once you have selected it, it's going to open up the chart for Trump coin. So you can see how Trump coin is doing in the market. You can see obviously Trump coin is currently going down in the market. But that's why we want to trade, because in futures trading, you can make profit when the crypto price is going down. Okay. And you can also make profit when the crypto price is going up. Okay. So the next step is to select what you what you want to do. So you can click on long or short. Long here means long means you are saying that you think the price of that crypto will go up. Short means you are saying that the price of that crypto will go down. So apparently, if you click on long, it means you are predicting the price of Trump will go up. And when the price of Trump goes up, you make profit. If you click on short, it means you are predicting that the price of Trump will go down. And if the price of Trump goes down, you make profit. All right. If it goes other way, you make a loss, which means if you click on long and the price of Trump starts going down, you are making a loss. If you click on short and the price of Trump starts going up, you are making a loss. All right. Now the next step is to select any one of them. So today, because of what I've seen with Trump coin, I'll be going on short. Now here is how to get started. Now the very first step is that you notice that you have no money on your USDT balance. But I have 45 USDT. Where is my money? All right. But you have to transfer your monies from funding account to your unified trading account before you can find your monies here. Now, how do you do that? You have to click on this plus sign here. Okay, you can see the little plus sign showing that you need to add up your monies. So if you click on the plus sign, what you're going to do is to click on transfer crypto between accounts. All right. Once you select that, the next step is that you need to select, you need to make sure that it is like this. Move all your monies from funding wallet to unified trading account. Unified trading account is an account that shows your balance for trading. All right. While funding account is the account that your money has to be when you want to sell it to your bank. All right. Now, once you have done that, select the crypto you want to trade with, which is USDT. And if you want to trade with everything, you click on max. So click on max. If you want to trade with a specific amount, you can type it down there. So click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can wait it out and you can see that your money is now appearing on your balance. Now you can now trade. You can see the money is now on your balance, unlike before. Now, the next step is to understand what futures trading is and how it works. Now, I'm going to show you some things you really need to understand. You can see the very first thing here is isolated. What does isolated means? In fact, I'm going to click on it so you can understand it better. When you select isolated, you can see that there is isolated here. By the right swipe, there is cross margin and there is portfolio margin. Okay, but the very popular one is isolated and cross. Now, what do they mean? Isolated simply means that when, let's say you have $100 to trade, I have $43 to trade, and I'm trading with just $10. If I am losing, my $10 will be wiped out, and the remaining balance of $33, which is my balance, will also be safe. Okay, isolated simply means that, for example, I have $43 to trade. If I'm trading with $10, if I lose my money, only my $10 will go. Only my $10 will be lost. Isolated simply means only my $10 will be lost, right? But cross margin simply means that if you are trading with $43 or $100 or whatever you are, whatever amount you have, let's say you have $100, you are trading with $10. Okay, if your $10 is lost, it will eat into your $90 remaining and keep eating until that money is completely vanished. Okay, it serves as a collateral in case the loan you have taken you can't pay back, you start eating into that balance in your account. So I advise you to choose the isolated margin. Okay, choose the isolated margin, because if you lose, you are only going to be losing the particular money you are using to trade. Okay, so I'm going to select it. Now, the next step is to choose your margin. So make sure if you're a new trader, just select isolated, please. Now, if you choose margin, what does margin simply means? Margin simply means it's either called margin or leverage. You can actually run it down to 50 times or reduce it to 10 times. As a beginner, I advise you to not take it to 50. More leverage simply means more risk. So take it to 10. I'm going to explain what it means. Then you can click on save. Okay. Now, what does this means? This means just as if you are borrowing monies. I'm going to explain. Now, I have $43 in my account. You can have $100 in your account to trade. Now, out of my $43, I using I have $43. I want to use $10 to trade today. And I'm selecting 10 times margin or 10 times leverage. It simply means I want to trade with $100. You multiply the amount you want to use to trade by the margin you have selected. I have $43, but I want to use $10 to trade. $10 multiplied by the 10 times margin means 100, which means you want to trade with $100. Now, the system imagines that you want to trade with $100. If you make 10% profit, you have $10 profit added to your balance. If you make 20% profit, you have $20 added to your balance. If you lose 10% profit, you'll be deducted 10% of your of what you have or what you are using to trade. Okay. If you lose 20%, you'll be deducted 20% of what you are using to trade. This simply means that more margin, if you are doing well, it means more money. More margin, if you're not doing well, it means much loss. Take note. Next step is to actually get started into trading. Now, I advise you to leave it into limit. Limit simply means that you are buying at a certain price. Okay, leave it as limit. Don't put it to market. Okay. Next step is to come to this pricing area. Now, I mentioned that here you can see the price of the particular crypto that you want to trade. So you can put just 100. You can see I'm going to leave it as 100. What does 100 means? 100 simply means that it is the money you have borrowed. Okay, it is the money you have borrowed. Why did I put 100? I'm using $10 to trade from my money, and I'm multiplying that $10 times the margin I have selected. I have $43. On my $43, I'm using $10 to trade. Now, $10 multiplied by 10 times is 100 USDT. So you put 100 there and leave it like that. All right. Now, the next step is to come down to this area Don't worry, if you don't understand this, I can recreate the video on another day. You can comment down below, and I would redo the video. But if you're understanding it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. All right. Now, next step is to come down to this area and set your take profit and stop loss. What does take profit and stop loss means? It means that if you are losing, if you set your take profit or stop loss, you will not lose so much, right? Let's say I have for $3, I'm trading with just $10. I don't want to lose so much. I'll just lose a little bit from my monies. Okay. But if you are setting take profit, it means you just want to take a little bit of profit. So take profit and stop loss simply helps you maximize your profit, like your money management activities when you are trading. Take profit simply means you want a certain profit from the market, and you want to jump off the market, which means if you just get to $5, if you set your take profit at $5, you want to just get $5 and you jump out. All right. Stop loss simply means in case things start going bad, how much are you willing to lose? I'm willing to lose just $3 or $4 or $2. You set it at that $2, and once things starts going bad, you get $2 and you lost $2 already and you jump out. Your remaining balance will be safe. Okay, that is what it means. So when you come here, set it like this. Your take profit, you can see take profit simply means this is the take profit. So where do you want to take your profit from? Remember that we are shorting. Take profit simply means when the market price is going below. So what you're going to do is to come here and set your take profit at 11 $11. When the market gets to $11, when the Trump coin goes down to $11, I will make, Bybit is telling me that I will make $10. All right, I will make $10. Now, remember that I'm shorting, I'm not longing. That is why I'm predicting that the market will go down. I'm predicting that the market will go down, not up, not like spot. All right. So when the price of Trump coin has gone down, I'll be happy. And if it goes down to $11, I make more money because I'm predicting that the price of the Trump coin will go down. Now, now this is for take profit. So it means I just want $10 extra and I'm off the market. Okay, that's what it means. Stop loss simply means if Trump coin starts going up, I tend to lose more money. I will be losing more money because I predicted that the market will go down. So stop loss simply means, please, once Trump coin gets to 13, I don't want to do again. Give me back, let me take my losses and start another trade. So this means that um, I will lose $5.4 if it goes the wrong way. So guys, I want you to understand what this simply means. I'm predicting that the price of Trump coin will be going down for this trade. All right. Now, if the price of Trump coin starts going down and gets to $11, right now it's at $12. If it gets to $11, I want out of the market. I've made some money. I want to leave. Okay, because I'm correct. Now, once it starts going up against my direction, against my prediction, I want to leave when it gets to $13. So which means if it gets to $13, I'm going to lose $5 from my money. I will lose $5 from my $10 I'm using to trade. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm just going to click on short. Then once you have done this, you can click on I confirm, and then you click on confirm. All right, you click on confirm, you can see the orders is now open and it is showing here. You can see the orders down here below, down below is showing on this area, which shows that it has not started counting. It's just under orders. Okay, it's under orders right now. If it starts counting, it's now go to position area. Okay, this is what you need to understand. So guys, this will be the end of this class, and I understand you got what I mean. Okay, so for those people who are in several signal groups, this is where you can type your take profit. This is where you can type your stop loss. Take profit is your TP. You'll find it on your signal groups. Stop loss is your SL. This is where you type it. Okay, then long, you can select long if the signal is telling you to long. You can select short if the signal is telling you to short. So also, if you want to cancel, if you don't want to get into a, okay, for example, you can see My trade has started and I'm already in profit. Already in a little bit of profit. So it is no longer on orders, it is now on position. You can see I'm in a little bit of profit. I short the crypto. I predict that the market will be going down and it is going down. That is why you can see that everything is green. If it's not going my way, everything will be red. So if you want to cancel, which means if I cancel right now, I've made 0.03 USDT profit and I've made 0.3%. So if I want to cancel, I don't want to trade again, what I have to do is to click on close buy. Okay, I'm going to click on close to cancel the trade, or come back to orders and I'm just going to click on cancel. I'll come back to orders. I can just come here and select cancel. Okay, there are two ways to cancel. Now, this one, you can see I'm already in a bit of profit. I'm already in 0.13%, 0.13 profit, but I don't want to trade this. Okay, in another class, I will show you how to make profit trading futures. All right, but like I mentioned, if you cannot trade futures, it is very risky for you to start out on futures. You can listen to my other videos, you understand what futures is all about. So guys, I'm going to click on orders and then click on cancel, and boom, I've successfully canceled the trade. So you can see that my balance will be added shortly, and of course this is my position. I'm going to click on close buy and confirm close. So guys, you can see I've actually closed for my profit, and you can see I started with 43.3. Now I have about 43.4, which means I made just 0.16 dollars in the process. So do have a very wonderful day, guys. Give this video a like if you got value. See you on another one, and do have a very wonderful day.